high above us, filling the sky but unseen, is an element so essential that without it, life on Earth would vanish. It doesn't glow, burn, or sparkle. It just is, silent, colorless, powerful, the seventh element on the periodic table, and one of Earth's most vital building blocks. Where nitrogen comes from, nitrogen makes up a whopping 78% of Earth's atmosphere. That means every breath you take is mostly nitrogen, though your body doesn't absorb it directly from the air. Billions of years ago, Earth's early atmosphere was filled with volcanoes and gases. Over time, nitrogen settled in as the dominant gas, and it's been floating around us ever since. How nitrogen is produced? Nitrogen is everywhere in the air, but to use it in industry or science, it must be separated and purified. This is done through a process called fractional distillation of liquid air. Air is cooled to very low temperatures until it becomes a liquid. As it warms up, different gases boil off at different temperatures. Nitrogen, which boils at -196 degrees Celsius, is separated and collected as a gas or liquid. In nature, nitrogen is fixed into usable forms through 1. Lightning, which breaks nitrogen molecules into reactive parts. 2. Nitrogen-fixing bacteria in soil, especially near plant roots. 3. Industrial fixation using the Haber-Bosch process to make fertilizers. What nitrogen is used for? Nitrogen is incredibly useful, even though we rarely think about it. Here's how this invisible gas keeps the world running. 1. Agriculture. Plants need nitrogen to grow. It's a core part of chlorophyll and DNA. Farmers use nitrogen-based fertilizers, like ammonium nitrate, to help crops grow faster and healthier. 2. Food preservation. Liquid nitrogen is used to flash freeze food quickly, from ice cream to meat, locking in freshness and preventing spoilage. 3. Science and industry. In labs, nitrogen gas is used to create inert atmospheres, preventing chemical reactions. Liquid nitrogen is used in cryogenics to freeze cells, embryos, and even for medical treatments like wart removal. 4. Explosives and energy. Nitrogen compounds like ammonium nitrate are used in explosives for mining, construction, and sometimes military uses. 5. The human body. Your DNA, muscles, and proteins all contain nitrogen. Even though we can't breathe it indirectly, we get it from eating plants and animals that absorb nitrogen from soil. A silent giant, nitrogen doesn't show off. It doesn't flash like sodium or explode like hydrogen, but it is everywhere, in the sky, the soil, your body, and your food. It supports life, powers technology, and keeps things cool, literally and figuratively. Nitrogen, is the silent giant of the periodic table, invisible but absolutely essential to the rhythm of life on Earth. Fun fact: nitrogen gas is so stable that it's often used to preserve ancient documents, electronics, and even spacecraft components.